Today, we're bringing a taste of Spain straight to your kitchen with a classic favorite, Gambas al Ajillo, shrimps with garlic. Start by slicing 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and finely chopping a handful of fresh parsley. Place a pan over medium heat and add the sliced garlic and a pinch of chili flakes. Add about half a cup of olive oil, enough to create roughly a 1 centimeter layer in the pan, and let them gently cook. You want the garlic to become fragrant and lightly golden, but not browned. Once ready, add your shrimp in a single layer. Let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on the first side without moving them. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they're pink, tender, and just cooked through. Right at the end, sprinkle in the chopped parsley and let everything cook together for about 30 seconds. Remove from the heat and transfer to a plate, or, for a more traditional touch, serve in a clay dish. And don't forget the best part, serve with some good bread and dip it into that rich, garlicky oil. And that's it. Simple, quick, and full of incredible flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious dishes like this one. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep sharing more recipes with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.